Hi, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars here. I hope everybody had a peaceful holiday season, but here we are in 2018, ready for the new year. And actually, between all the Christmas parties and the hockey tournaments for the kids, this is one of the busiest times of the year here at O'Brien Guitars. I take the time to do regular shop maintenance and take it a little bit farther. Everything gets taken apart, cleaned, lubed, the joiner blades, planer blades, saw blades, bandsaw blade, table saw, all get swapped out, get new equipment. The belts on the belt sanders get swapped out. The belt sanders get cleaned. Chisels and planes get sharpened. It's a busy time of year, but there's some certain shop maintenance that you really should think about. For example, behind me, there's some fire extinguishers here on my bench. Make sure that they're charged, up to date, ready to go in case something happens throughout the year, God forbid, knock on wood. Also, the Kidde, or Kidde, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, fire extinguisher company, recently had a recall. These are my brand new fire extinguishers. I had some other ones that I sent back. They swapped them out for me. So make sure that your fire extinguishers are up to date. Also, it's a good time to swap out your filters on your humidifiers. Those get clogged and don't work efficiently, so make sure that you get a new filter. Make sure the basin where you keep the water is clean. Also, empty all of the dust collectors. The filters gets cleaned on the dust collector. The dust bin gets out. I mean, it's a big deal here at O'Brien Guitars, getting ready for the new year. Speaking of the new year, there's a lot of class opportunities coming up. In August, we have Trevor Gore coming back for his modal tuning master class. There's still a few places available on that. Paco Chorobo coming from Spain for a 7-day, 4-person flamenco guitar building course. You leave with the guitar and all of the jigs necessary. That class is already full. First week in June, I'm offering my annual classical guitar voicing, steel string guitar voicing, and French polish master classes. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. We're getting ready and getting geared up here for the new year. I hope you are too. Happy building. We'll see you at the end of 2018 and throughout the year, of course, with Luthier Tips du Jour videos. Happy building.